nobody wanna listen. Well listen, fakeness ain't forgiven. Shout out the reals, what up 1947? Mad dopes and mad smokes, I guess this cloud's heaven. It's your boy Ghost, New Delhi reppin'. Third world, grab your weapon.
जिंदगी एक सजा क्या खोया क्या पाया तेरे हिस्से का पा तूने खुद ही कमाया चुने रास्ते जिस पे शैतान की थी छाया काले ख्याल काली रात का मैं साया आया लेके हिप हॉप की ये माया दिल्ली वाया क्या अपने लोगों को साथ लाया and kids go to school just play your part rider don't waste your time cause there's a devil in every mind I'm on a different level look every time I might sound like a potential felon in every line I spit though I spat venom every time I did don't get mad sit back and just rewind this shit cause the rhymes are supply for you to get high for you to realize what is life when you're 9 to 5 and grind the time till it's time to die or I'ma find a 9 and dine with crime keeping my pride as high and aim at the brain unframed let the thing bang your face out of place let the fame go to waste and you praying with your faith in God and hoping you're not playing with your fate call me raw when I say it, I'm just saying and you ain't fucking friends and critics I don't make no sense not in it but shit it's a minute but I feel till it spills and I spit it infinite and my skill kill it still shit is no gimmick and my real still is real get it you bitches and last word ain't for the ladies I love y'all Knuckle Duster, Third World, what up?
Now I ain't passing out, bro, I'm just exam passing. Ain't nothing close to my orbit, even this damn planet. Your stupid raps are going down like my pants sagging, huh? And they reveal the ass behind them. And you don't get the mindset, cause they're mindless. These whack rappers stay whack, bro, they don't even mind us. We creating history every time you rewind us. So unless you the audience, you gonna stay behind us now. What's the chances of you being dead? Toss a coin, only tails, cause I slice all the heads. You kings and queens played out like the cards on my deck. Animal instincts, I smell something wrong with the wet. I outshine you, and now your future doesn't seem right. Trust nobody like the Delhi traffic green lights. I did it before they started to believe, kept it original. Did it without the Nikes on my feet, huh? You ain't ready for what I'm headed for. Illuminate the scene with my heart, king of the metaphors. Call me Tony Stark in the dark. Came here just to pour my heart in these bars. Yeah, and there's things I don't plan to be to talk about the favorites. I'm all about my family, and this goes out to everyone that's bothering me, to every fake ass bully who should be honoring me. What goes around comes around, and you gotta believe. Now that's a circle I'm working on making corners bleed. I'm nasty, but I keep it clean, don't you trust me? White tees, white sneaks, and none got the blood stains.
My ill mind is a skill mine. If you dig it how I kill time, my chill spines, I'm off the limits. I'm out of the box, I'm out of the locks. I have the keys, you cannot chain me. Bitch, I'm one of a kind, so don't compare me. When you need maxi pads to stay free. When I'm rhyming, I'm an opera artist singing my lungs out. You're like Miley Cyrus sticking her tongue out. Corny, attention seeking hoes. You all horny, but I just do it for the music. I abuse it, put my foot in, so leave the shoe fits. My mind is making new hits, so fuck you and your new kicks. It's all about the hip hop. Fuck them big shoes, man, I do this in my flip flop. Stupid rappers count your seconds. TikTok, why you wearing fucking green pants and a pink top? I'm in shock. Yeah, and why you call me homie when you don't know me? You a phony. Your girl wanna blow me when she feeling lonely. One and I'm the only, best believe it. Been in troubled waters, now I'm seasick. And these days bitches give it up if he's rich. Money is God, rap is religion. Every single track killing beats with precision. Listen, so don't you be pissing me off by saying that Delhi is gonna be soft. It's gonna be the opposite of what you think. Me and my brothers, we on to some new things. Cause I got so many flows that are bound to explode. Call me the ocean, dark like the night, and I'm sipping my potion. I'm way out of sight, so don't you be stressing me. My mind is cooking up rhymes, so many recipes. Rest in peace to everyone who don't believe in my plan. All of you dead to me. What do you know anyway? You never mean what you say. And I do it cause I love it. They're telling me that I ain't gonna make it. I'm like fuck it, I just wanna be free. And maybe we can all win, but only if we believe.
This is capital rap, a practical fact. Y'all ain't never came first. We're the Seminole Cats. No tight fit jeans and I ain't fucking with trap. If you don't live my city scene, your assumptions are whack. A change of stance. This ain't the Peace Corps, this is Armageddon. Told the line to walk against where karma's headed. The underground is craving harder records. We beat the case. Reasonable doubt, Sean Carter check it. Mama's blessing, adversaries excommunicated. Damn, he's sick, but just fucking that is dishonor haters. Pay attention, listen up, all you blind folks. Even the odds, I'ma kill y'all with eyes closed. Nas is God, I'm more like Caesar, my G. Might die and miss a little bit of controversy. There'll be a war, I'm a common to keep pieces of me. Blood is in the air, only the righteous can breathe. I'm like Moses when I'm splitting MCs. Hellfire, every burning soul is screaming for peace. I don't claim to be the sickest, just the leader of breed. Reviving hip-hop while a heartbeat is feeble and weak. We are the guardians of the city, that's the hardest. Rappers are dust mites, brush under the carpet. All these made rappers sold out, trying to market. Stones at your glass house, you one-track artist?
उम्र मेरी 25 पर सोच है ये 60 वाली। कठपुतली हम, ऊपर वाला अपना मालिक। कहते हैं आप, ऐसा मानते हैं आप। ऐसा फिर कौन क्या है पैसा जिसकी करते हैं पूजा। मैं ऊंचा वो नीचा, खून नहीं लाल इनका एक भूखा। देखा मैंने मुंह का थूका खाते हुए, जोर से चिल्लाते हुए। 100 दिन इंसान के, एक दिन शैतान का। करो मेहनत आज वरना बाद में पछताओगे। वक्त है धुआं, इसे ना समेट पाओगे। कोसोगे नसीब को, दिमाग से गरीब जो, कर्म से फकीर जो। भीख में ये सीख लो, करोगे बुरा तो भुगतोगे बुरा। क्योंकि अपना किया आता अपने सर पे। जिंदगी सफर ये दुख की सड़क पे। डरना ना, पीछे हटना ना, काबू रखना है जोश होश। फिर तू सोच लक्ष्य की, दिल पे बोझ जो भी हो भूल जा, मुस्कुरा। क्योंकि जीना इसी का नाम है। आती जाती परेशानियों की चट्टान है। इन